Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about cascading style sheets. At the end of this session, you'll be able to understand the purpose of CSS, difference between HTML and CSS, structure of CSS rules, internal, inline, and external are the types of CSS and its different scenarios. First, let's see what is cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheet is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of an HTML document. It controls the appearance of web pages, including colors, fonts, spacing, and layout, while keeping the content separate from the presentation. Why CSS? Without CSS, pages appear plain. No colors or attractive layouts. Difficult to maintain multiple web pages. That means if you are creating web pages only with HTML. If you are creating HTML with CSS, then we can make attractive web pages, consistent design, easier maintenance, responsive layouts. Let's see the uses of CSS. CSS is used to control the appearance of HTML elements, apply colors, fonts, and spacing, design page layouts, maintain a consistent style across multiple web pages, and store styles in separate .css files for reusable. And it support different screen sizes and devices. Let's see some set of examples. College website, Amazon product pages, banking portal, online shopping website, university management systems are examples of cascading style sheet. Let's see the difference between HTML and CSS. At the left hand side, you can see the structural element. It creates the structure of a web page, defines heading, paragraph, tables, and forms. It describes content and uses HTML tags. In CSS, we can see the controls, the appearance, define colors, fonts, spacing, and layouts, describes the presentation, and it uses selectors and properties. Simple analogy, HTML is the skeleton of a building, CSS is the paint, decoration, and interior design. Let's see the rules applied in CSS. It consists of selector and description block. Selector identifies the HTML element to style it. So which element we are going to style it, what HTML element we are going to style it. So that will be selected with the help of this selector. And declaration block, it contains one or more property value pairs enclosed in curly braces. The syntax given as selector, open curly braces, property, colon, value, semicolon. Understand where you have to put colon and semicolon. So color, colon, value, semicolon. Example, selector P, that is paragraph tag. Now I'm going to make all the contents inside the paragraph in a color red. So color, colon, red. So P is a selector, color is a property, and red as a value. Similarly, we can go with multiple declarations like this. We can also go with changing font size, width of particular content in a HTML web page using CSS. Let's see the types of CSS. There are three types of CSS: inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. First, let's see inline CSS is used to apply unique style to a single HTML element. It is written using style attribute. So inside the body section, wherever you want to create styles, so go with that particular HTML element followed by style attribute, then write property and value. It means whatever you are generating inside the paragraph, welcome to CSS, that will be displayed on the screen in red color. Next one is internal CSS. Internal CSS, we have to write it in the header section. Similar style attribute to be used. So where do you write this? and inside the header section. Inside the header section, you can see that H1 is one of the selector type. Another one is body section. That means, so wherever you are using this H1, this property and values will be applicable. For example, inside the body section, H1, welcome to my page. That means when it prints on the displaying screen, welcome to my page will be appeared in blue color and alignment in the center. You can see at the left hand side screenshot. And then this is an entertainment website is the simple statement. That is, there is no other, no CSS it is created for the tag name P. So it simply prints by default in black color. Now come to this internal CSS part, body section. Background color is pink. So whole body section will be displayed in a pink color. The last type is called as external CSS. External CSS means we have to write the CSS part in a separate file and make it as a .css file and give it in the HTML program where to link this in the header section using link tag followed by hrefs, file name, then related style sheet. Then by default, where whatever you have written in that CSS file, that will be incorporated in the body section. So right now we have discussed about three types of CSS concepts. One is inline, internal, external. So what are the real-time applications? College websites, banking portal, hospital management system, e-commerce, online examination portal, news websites, and social media also. We can use this CSS concept. People are making mistake in this. They are forgetting where to put colon mark and semicolon mark and forgetting the curly braces, then incorrect path link and writing HTML tags inside the .css file. So avoid this, properly understand and then proceed. Thank you.